when I arrived in Yeditepe, what I liked particularly was the fountains in the campus because it's like a relaxing ambience. Or okay, it's a place to study first, but I liked this and it was working even if it was kind of winter weather. And also I noticed that there are many trees, and I like it a lot because it reminds me to holidays and summer also. The dogs, hmm, it's not a problem for me because they look kind. They don't bite you.
It looks nice as well. It's like not only the buildings but also flowers and nature and even animals, and yeah, I like it. At first I thought I was a bit surprised when I saw like all the dogs here because I'm not used to it. In Germany you never see animals on the university campus, but actually they fit quite well in here, and they just belong here. So it's not a thing I don't like. It's just something it was surprising for me.
Yeah, I really like the nature here at Yeditepe campus. It's a green campus. I like the greenhouses over uphill, all the dogs. Unfortunately, there are not so many cats here, but maybe because of the dogs.
I think that it's very nice to have so many trees around because in Yeditepe, for example, you don't have much, and also the dogs, because I love dogs, yeah.
The nature, I'm not used to it because my home university is not so green. There's not so much nature there. So I was kind of surprised when I came here. There are a lot of opportunities to be in the nature.